Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in a Bodo village in Bodoland, India.
I lived in a Bodo village for a day. Food, culture, and unexpected friends.
Bodoland, India.
Jui Boro. That means hello in the Bodo language. Forget the cities, forget the usual tourist trails. Welcome everyone to this beautiful place. Look at these amazing handmade crafts. This land has so much to offer.
If you enjoyed this legend, please like this video and subscribe to Quirum Dirum Studio for more stories from our land.